So as soon as we create a new legal entity, we might need to do some mandatory things which will enable us to perform actions and perform transactions in this legal entity. Okay, out of which one of the mandatory activity is creating number sequences. Number sequence is very important because for every transaction, for every record, for every action that you do in the system, it will have a record number, right? So that record number sequence, how the system is going to generate. So you have to provide either manually or you can generate number sequences so that system will create it automatically by itself. Okay. I'll show how you can generate number sequences so that system can assign itself. Okay. So for example, let me show the accounts payable module. So accounts payable setup, if I go to parameters, this is a newly created legal entity, by the way. So if you navigate to number sequences, you will not find any number sequence assigned here. For example, vendor account. If I want to create a vendor account, what is the number sequence for that? So nothing is assigned here, right? So what we will do is we will generate number sequences and we will come back and see here whether the number sequence is going to get assigned automatically by the system. So for that, you have to navigate to organization administration, number sequences, navigate to number sequences, and there is something called generate. Click on generate. It will give us a wizard with which we can generate number sequences. Okay, let's see. In the meanwhile, so including the number sequences, with the number sequences, what are the other mandatory things that you will do in system so that it is usable by you? Okay, so I'll try to explain. For example, you will assign number sequences, you will create chart of accounts, you will create accounting structure. See, create in the sense create and assign both, of course. The same way you will create and assign accounting structure. The same way you will create and assign calendars. You will create and assign calendars. In calendars, you have all the different kinds of calendars that you are going to assign: fiscal and ledger calendars. Okay. If there is any currency, revaluation accounts, everything you are going to assign. For example, posting profiles, create vendors, customers, items. In the sense, everything comes under using master data. You are going to create it. Okay. After you create it, you are going to assign the posting profiles. So these are the different things that you will perform in Dynamics as soon as you create a new legal entity. Okay, let's go and see whether we, yeah, fine. So this is the wizard that we got as soon as we clicked on generate. Okay, so this wizard will help you create the required number sequences, etc. You can just click next, and these are the modules in which the number sequences are is going to get created. Okay, if you can see, this is accounts payable module, right? In that, there is vendor account, for which this is the sequence that system is going to create automatically. In the sense, mksp hyphen, there's 6 digit, so 6 digit vendor code will be created. So if you want it to be continuous, you can enable this, or you can leave it. So this is how system is going to generate number sequences for you. So you can see on the right side, and you can see the area in which the number sequence is going to get created. Okay, so you can explore this and click next. So these many number sequences system is going to create right now. So if you see, in each and every module, these many number sequences. So click finish. Now what system is doing in the backend is, system is creating the number sequences. So now what we will do, let's go to the module which I have shown earlier, accounts payable module. Let's go to setup. If I go to parameters, number sequences. So this is how system has automatically created number sequences and assigned it to all of the number sequence setups. Now number sequences won't be an issue for us when we are doing transactions. That's it. Thank you guys.